How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Razer Kiyo Pro Ultra with choppy FPS. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to update your Razer Synapse application. And after opening up the software, if you see a hardware update, just make sure that your webcam is updated. Now, once inside the application, you want to tweak a couple of settings. Basically, the first one is going to be performance. Now, if you're having choppy FPS, this means that your computer cannot process high image quality. So selecting performance right here and maybe reducing your quality into something like 1080p or 2K resolution will help a lot. Now, while you're at it, you can also click some background applications because it will actually cause your camera to drop performance, and you could choose something like 60 FPS to make it a lot better. And then that's basically going to be it. Mainly the reason why this is happening is because we have a lot of background apps open on our device, enabling it to process our devices properly, including our camera. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.